Okay.
On 16th, the ships will sail out and get on with the operational phase. Again, it's going to be packed. We have submarine to submarine exercises. We have anti-submarine warfare. We have surface shoots, air defense exercises, VBSS, which is visit, board, search and seizure drills.
These are the ill effects of digital photography, sir. These are the ill effects of digital photography. They keep clicking.
As Prime Minister Modi has advocated, we look to what India and the United States can do together for the world, strengthening democratic values all over.
The purpose of the JMSDF participating in this exercise is to improve the tactical capability as well as to strengthen cooperation with the US and the Indian navies. I am aware that our common challenge is to lead the Indo-Pacific region to be free and open ocean of prosperity based on international law and international norms. Under the government policy of proactive contribution to peace, we, the JMSDF, would like to deepen the maritime partnership among Japan, the US, and India in the Indian Ocean.
Also, I would request the members of the media to restrict your question answers to Malabar.